How to turn off or on mentions in chat notifications on VK on Android or iOS phone. First open VK and then click on your profile here in the top corner, and now click these 3 points and then click go back, click this hub icon and now click these 3 lines and click settings and then click notifications, and here we'll find mentions in chat, and here you can manage it. You can turn it off or on. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.